Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to this first program. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So, in addition to what the NTIC does in terms of academic excellence, quality education, teaching and learning, it's also so important that the students have the chance to relax and also develop some of their skills in sports, some of their skills in speaking, etc.
Okay, can I see yours? Boys section, adjective, girls section, adjective, co-education, adjective. Can we see your answer, please? Adjective. They are all correct. Okay.
Good morning, impartial panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, and my distinguished audience.
Number 8.
Toughness.
TOUGHNESS.